Welcome to our lesson on locus problems in geometry. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental concept, understanding the perpendicular bisector as a locus. First, let's define what a locus is. A locus is simply a set of points that all satisfy a specific geometric condition. You can think of it as a path that is traced by a point as it moves according to a particular rule. For example, a circle is the locus of points that are all a fixed distance from a central point. The specific problem we are tackling today is based on this condition. We want to find the locus of all points that are equidistant from two different fixed points. Let's call these fixed points A and B. What shape or path is formed by all the points that are the exact same distance from A as they are from B? To figure this out, let's start by finding a few points that fit our rule. We can easily find the point that's exactly in the middle. We can also find a point above it and a point below it that are the same distance from A and B. As we find more and more of these points, a pattern starts to emerge. If we were to plot every single point that is equidistant from points A and B, we would see that they all fall on a single, straight line. This isn't just any line. It has a special geometric name. It's called the perpendicular bisector of the line segment OB. The name perpendicular bisector tells you everything you need to know. First, the word perpendicular means that our locus line intersects the segment connecting A and B at a perfect 90-degree angle. Second, the word bisector means that it cuts the segment OB into two perfectly equal halves, passing directly through its midpoint. So, we arrive at our formal definition. The locus of points which are equidistant from two fixed points, A and B, is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment that joins A and B. This is a fundamental rule in geometry. This concept appears in the real world, too. Imagine two towns that need a new railway line built. If the plan requires the railway to always be the same distance from both towns, the engineers would build it along the path of the perpendicular bisector. Any point on that railway line would be equidistant from town A and town B. Let's summarize what we've learned. A locus is a set of points defined by a rule. The rule, equidistant from two fixed points, creates a line called the perpendicular bisector. This line is perpendicular to the segment connecting the 2 points, and it bisects that segment, cutting it into 2 equal parts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.